Imagine waking up to a new view every morning, unlimited food at your fingertips, and your hotel floating gently across the sea. Sounds dreamy, right? But here's the twist. Not all cruise lines are created equal. Some are full of wild parties, others are all about quiet sunsets and fine dining, and a few, perfect for budget-savvy explorers like you. In this Ultimate 2025 guide, we're diving into the best cruise lines to help you pick your perfect match. Each one has its perks, quirks, and secrets, and the last one might just blow your socks off. Number 1. Carnival Cruise Line. Carnival is basically the extrovert of the cruise world. It's loud, fun, always down for a good time, and best of all, it's easy on the wallet. Why it's a must-choose. If your idea of fun includes poolside contests, dance parties at midnight, and maybe a burger at 2 a.m., Carnival has your back. Their newer ships even have a freaking roller coaster on board. You'll find mini golf, water slides, and comedy clubs that keep the vibe alive all day. It's all about fun without the fuss. The catch: crowds, upsells, and sometimes a bit of chaos. The base fare is cheap, but they know how to tempt you with all the extras. From soda packages to steakhouse dinners, it's easy to go overboard on spending if you're not careful. Budget tip: sail during the off-season and check out older ships for a cheaper but still party-packed experience. Plus, off-season sailings often mean fewer crowds and better service. Number 2. Royal Caribbean International. Think of Royal Caribbean as the cruise line that believes bigger is better, because honestly, their ships are floating cities. Why it's a must-choose. From zip lines and surf simulators to rock climbing walls and Broadway shows, you'll never run out of things to do. They're the kings of onboard innovation, and it shows in ships like the Icon of the Seas or Harmony of the Seas, perfect for families, couples, and adrenaline junkies alike. The catch: you'll need to budget carefully. The shiny stuff comes with a price tag, and drink packages can cost more than your plane ticket. And those headline-grabbing ships often come with headline-level prices, too. Budget tip: set sail from less popular ports like Baltimore or Galveston for better fares. And don't ignore the older ships in the fleet. They're still packed with features but come with a smaller price tag. Number 3. Norwegian Cruise Line NCL. Don't want a vacation that feels like a school schedule? NCL gets it. No dress codes, no set dinner times, just chill vibes. Why it's a must-choose. Their freestyle cruising philosophy means you vacation on your terms. Grab sushi at 6, hit the comedy club at 9, and have tacos at midnight. Plus, their entertainment is Broadway quality. Shows like Six or Jersey Boys really impress. Add rooftop lounges, adults-only spaces, and a solid vibe throughout. The catch: all that freedom isn't free. Some of the best restaurants on board, like teppanyaki or steakhouse options, cost extra. And the advertised price doesn't always reflect what you'll actually pay once you add in perks. Budget tip: max out their free-at-sea perks if you're planning to drink or use Wi-Fi. But don't let the word free fool you. Do the math to make sure it fits your budget. Number 4. MSC Cruises. MSC is the stylish European cousin of the cruise world. It's elegant, international, and surprisingly affordable. Why it's a must-choose. You'll find marble staircases, crystal chandeliers, and Mediterranean menus, all at wallet-friendly prices. The ships are sleek, the decor is stunning, and it's a taste of Europe without leaving the ship. It's also one of the few lines that blends luxury and budget. The catch: service and entertainment might feel different. It's a more international experience, which some guests love, but others might find a little confusing. Announcements in 5 languages can interrupt the flow, and the entertainment isn't always geared to English speakers. Budget tip: take advantage of their kids sail free and loyalty match deals. If you have status with another cruise line or even a hotel chain, MSC may honor it with perks. Number 5. Princess Cruises. Princess is like that classy friend who loves scenic hikes, peaceful mornings, and quiet sunsets. It's all about elegance and ease. Why it's a must-choose. It's a dream for travelers looking to slow down and enjoy the journey. Their medallion-class, wearable tech makes everything seamless, from ordering food to finding your travel companions on board. Plus, if you're cruising to places like Alaska or the Panama Canal, Princess is one of the best. The catch: it's a little more refined and less energetic. That's great for some, but might bore others looking for a party. Not much for kids or big nightlife scenes. Budget tip: look for bundled pricing. Plus and premier packages can offer serious value if you'd already pay for Wi-Fi, drinks, and tips separately. Number 6. Celebrity Cruises. Celebrity is sleek, modern, and a bit fancy without being snobby. It's like a boutique hotel at sea. Why it's a must-choose. From rooftop gardens to infinite verandas and serene lounging areas, Celebrity offers elevated experiences that feel just a touch more luxurious. Their food is consistently rated among the best at sea, and their ships are like floating art galleries. The catch: luxury comes with a cost. Even though they include drinks, Wi-Fi, and tips in many fares, the excursions and specialty dining can sneak up on your wallet. Also, it's a bit more subdued, better for chill travelers than families. Budget tip: book when they run their Always Included promotion for the best value. Consider shorter sailings or shoulder season itineraries to save. Number 7. Holland America line. Refined and relaxed, Holland America is where you go when you want classical music, fine dining, and zero frat parties. Why it's a must-choose. The onboard experience is calm and cultured, with programs like America's Test Kitchen, BBC Earth Experiences, and world-class dining. It's perfect for foodies, history lovers, and travelers who appreciate the quiet joys of the journey. The catch: it's not designed for families or party people. If you're looking for water slides or nightlife, look elsewhere. The pace is slower, and the crowd skews older. Budget tip: the Have-It-All bundle gives you all the extras: drinks, dining, Wi-Fi, and excursions, at a discount when booked early. Number 8. Virgin Voyages. Meet the rebel of the high seas. Virgin Voyages is cheeky, stylish, and totally adults only. Why it's a must-choose. If you're tired of buffets and towel animals, this is your ship. Think tattoo parlors, drag shows, and restaurants that ditch the dining hall vibe. All dining is included, and so is Wi-Fi, fitness classes, and tips. It's built for millennials and Gen Z, but cool Gen Xers will feel right at home. The catch: it's unconventional, which might not be for everyone. If you want a Broadway musical and a captain's dinner, look elsewhere. Also, itineraries are currently limited compared to bigger lines. Budget tip: look out for flash sales and low solo traveler rates. Short Caribbean sailings from Miami are a great way to test the waters. Number 9. Disney Cruise Line. Magical? Absolutely. Affordable? Not so much. But if you're traveling with kids, Disney nails every detail. Why it's a must-choose. From character meet and greets to interactive dining experiences and kids clubs that are basically mini theme parks, it's a dream for families. The ships are spotless, the service is impeccable, and even adults have their own quiet spaces. The catch: it's pricey, like really pricey. And if you're not into Disney magic, it might feel a bit overwhelming. The whole experience is kid-focused, and you'll hear, "Let it go," more than once. Budget tip: shorter 3 to 4 night cruises during low-demand periods like late January offer better pricing without sacrificing the full Disney experience. Number 10. Costa Cruises. Costa is your ticket to a budget-friendly European adventure with a big splash of Italian flair. Why it's a must-choose? The itineraries are amazing. Coastal gems in the Med, lesser-known ports, and truly local food. Costa offers the closest thing to European train travel, but on water. Plus, the Italian flair makes everything a little more vibrant and fun. The catch: English isn't the first language on board, and entertainment may feel more regional. The overall service can vary, and you'll likely have to adjust to a different cruising culture. Budget tip: sail from secondary ports like Marseille or Bari, and keep an eye out for longer itineraries, which are often cheaper per day. So, which cruise line should you choose in 2025? It all comes down to your vibe. Party animal? Go Carnival? Adventure junkie? Royal Caribbean? Classy and chill? Princess? Budget baller? MSC or Costa? And if you're somewhere in between, you've got options. Just remember, every cruise line has its sweet spot and its surprises. Your perfect floating vacation is out there, and now you're ready to find it. Smash that subscribe button for more budget travel tips and cruise hacks. Until next time, happy sailing!